Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change icon color on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to show you the current color I have applied to my app icon. Okay, this is for the original color, and I'm going to show you how we can change the app icon color on Samsung Galaxy phone. Make sure you have applied the default icon, so you'll be able to change the color. Okay, as you can see, I have applied the default icon, and then I'm going to go to the setting. Okay, here I'm gonna click on setting. If you want to apply the default app icon, you just need to go to the themes, and then you're going to go to the my items, and you can go to icon and select the default icon. If you have applied the default icon, so you just need to skip this tab. Okay, and then now it's time to go to the wallpaper and style, where we can change the app icon color on our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and then we can go to the color palette. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on color palette. I'm going to activate this color palette, and you can change your color palette to change the app icon color. You can choose either wallpaper colors. It means that the color from your wallpaper, and then you can choose the basic colors. Okay, and then you just need to choose the color that you want. For me, I'm just going to choose basic color. I'm gonna choose this purple or pink. Okay, and don't forget to activate this feature, apply palette to app icons. Okay, and then you can simply click on apply. Alright, and now the color is being applied to my Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, now it's done, and then I'm gonna check the result. Okay, as you can see guys, that the app icon color on my Samsung Galaxy phone has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change app icon color on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.